3, 2, 1.
What vegetable is called lady's finger in many parts of the world? The answer is C, okra. Where would you find a jalopy? The answer is C, in a home or building. Which household item helps keep food warm or cold? The answer is B, toaster. What gas makes up most of the Earth's atmosphere? The answer is C, nitrogen. Which capital is located on the Potomac River? The answer is C, Washington. When fertilizer ends up in bodies of water, the added nutrients cause excessive growth referred to as what, which can render the water unfit for human consumption or recreation. The answer is A, algal bloom. Which of these travels through the air? The answer is D, music. What kind of anatomical structure consists of several types of tissues that together carry out particular functions? The answer is A, organ. Which is the best reason for planting a tree away from a sidewalk? The answer is C, the sidewalk might crack as the tree grows. Which ocean holds the largest volume of water? The answer is B, Indian. On what continent is the city of Puebla located? The answer is B, North America. Who is known as the Greek god of wine, revelry, and agriculture? The answer is A, Dionysus. Where is the famous Matterhorn located? The answer is B, Switzerland. What animal has the longest neck? The answer is B, giraffe. One adult, there leave the wars. What school was it ordered several hundred of native of the state school board? The answer is B, New York. Who created the modern image of the red-suited, bearded, plump Santa Claus? The answer is B, Thomas Nast. Which Final Fantasy III character is known for blitzes such as Bum Rush, Pummel, and Suplex? The answer is B, Sabin. What is the physical disability of Virginia Cheryl's character in the 1931 movie City Lights? The answer is C, she can't see. Which mountain range has the longest continuous mountain range in the world? The answer is A, Himalayas. Which programming language was created by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1975? The answer is D. Basic. What American movie is known in China under the title I Will Marry a Prostitute and Save Money? The answer is A. Pretty Woman. What appears in autumn when cool air moves over a warm lake? The answer is B. Steam fog. What is the word for a group of colts? The answer is C. A rag. Which work of Mary Shelley features the famous creature Frankenstein? The answer is B. Frankenstein. Which cartoon features SpongeBob SquarePants? The answer is D. SpongeBob SquarePants. What is the name of the professional wrestling tag team consisting of The Undertaker and Kane? The answer is C. The Brothers of Destruction. What was the first food to be microwaved? The answer is B. A candy bar. Which language has the most native speakers worldwide? The answer is B. Mandarin. What moves sediments after they have formed?
The answer is A. Erosion.
Which Gothic cathedral is known as Notre Dame de Paris? The answer is A. Paris Cathedral. Which economic theory promotes government intervention to influence the economy? The answer is C. Keynesian economics. Which sport is also known as football outside of North America? The answer is B. Soccer. Who invented the first PC microprocessor? The answer is A. Intel. What actor played the role of Paul Rayburn, John's old CIA sidekick, in the 2004 action movie Man on Fire? The answer is C. Christopher Walken. What fruit has a hard, woody outer shell and soft, edible flesh inside? The answer is A. Coconut. What is the name of Andy Warhol's famous series depicting Campbell's soup cans? The answer is B. Soup Cans series. As a child, Russian mystic Grigory Rasputin was affected by the death of who of the following? The answer is B. His brother and sister. What is James Brown's honorific nickname? The answer is D. Godfather of Soul. Which operating system is used by most personal computers? The answer is C. Windows. What is the fastest wind speed ever recorded on Earth? The answer is C. 350 mph. Which division of the peripheral nervous system carries messages from sense organs and internal organs to the central nervous system? The answer is D. Sensory division. What is the most common file extension for Microsoft Word documents? The answer is A. .docx. Which event occurred on September 11, 2001? The answer is A. 9/11 terrorist attacks. As Earth revolves around the Sun, the number of daylight hours varies from place to place. In which location would the number of daylight hours remain constant? The answer is C. Equator. Which of these is a model of car made by Renault? The answer is A. Espace. What is the world's largest bus? The answer is C. Megabus. The domain geometry for a molecule with 4 electron pairs is called what? The answer is C. Tetrahedral. What was the first widely used antibiotic? The answer is B. Penicillin. What is the coldest place on Earth? The answer is A. Antarctica. What do you call a substance that cannot be separated into smaller pieces, which is also defined by the number of protons it has?